Coming Up Rosie's is a Chicago-based nonprofit that reinstills confidence and happiness in those struggling with low self-esteem during their medical journey.
Joining us now with more are co-founders and mother-daughter duo, Rosie and Paula Quinn. Ladies, thank you for coming by. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Because you have been fighting to get the word out about alopecia since you were about 5 years old?
Yes, since
and you're 12.
2018, yes.
Wow, that is unbelievable.
Thank you.
Do you feel like you're making steps?
I do. So I definitely feel with advocating for what we've been doing, this will hopefully spread awareness, because this is something that needs to be recognized, and because it affects so many Americans worldwide.
Like 6.8 million
Quite a few
Americans,
people.
2% of the world's population, has alopecia at some point in their life.
But still, it is a struggle. So you've been to Capitol Hill a few times now, trying to just educate and make them aware. Do you feel like you're making any strides in getting through to them?
Yes, I hope so. With what happened with Jada Pinkett Smith and Ayanna Pressley, hopefully she is getting the word through. We've been advocating. We went around on Capitol Hill just last month, and it was really nice. It was a long day, but it was worth it. We went to talk to people, and I think that getting the word spread really will help. Hopefully this year gets passed.
Because right now, wigs are not covered for alopecia patients, is that correct?
Yes, so one of the main problems is children, they usually, about 40% of the people get alopecia before their 20s.
Okay.
And so that's a big problem, especially for children who are younger in school. Kids tend to bully, and they want a real hair wig, because the fake wigs can get pulled off of their head, and people can get targeted. Like I've had people who have had this happen to them before. So
a wig costs. How much
does a wig cost?
Yeah, I was going to ask you, how much does a wig cost?
It costs about $1,000 to $4,000 per wig, and kids' heads are growing and changing, and these parents have to pay out of pocket. And that's quite a bit of money. So, like, people don't have that lying around. And I think that by having this bill covered, it will definitely spread the awareness for people, because people think alopecia is cosmetic, which is why this bill hasn't been passed yet. And like one time it happened for wigs to be covered for people with cancer, but not with alopecia, because they view alopecia not as an illness or a disease.
Not as medical.
As cosmetic.
So what exactly is the bill that you're trying to get passed? What is it?
Yes.
So it's a House of Representatives bill, 4034, and there's a companion bill in the Senate, which is the first time ever. But it's hoping to get wigs covered as medical durable equipment through Medicare. So if Medicare will cover wigs, then private insurance is soon to follow. That's the hope.
That's the hope.
Yes. There's also a newly approved drug by the FDA for patients with alopecia. It was kind of by mistake. Someone with rheumatoid arthritis was using a JAK inhibitor who also had alopecia, and their hair grew back.
Wow.
So there is a recent approval last summer. And now the next hurdle is coverage for the medicine. All of this is out of pocket, and it costs between $6,000 and $8,000 a month.
Oh my gosh.
Which is quite
So
like that's more than the wigs.
So wig is a cheaper option. So that's our first hurdle. So hopefully, I mean, after 5 years, we keep on going back every year.
Keep on going. And you have a fundraiser to help make all of this possible, and to help kids who are a little uncomfortable with their baldness to cover up. So talk about the Miles of Smiles event.
Yes, so this Sunday we have our annual fundraiser event called Miles with Smiles, and I'm super excited because this year it has a bit of a twist. So instead of walking and running, we are assembling smile bags. So it's the same thing as a smile kit. I think we've explained it here before.
But go ahead and do it again for people who may not have seen it.
So a smile kit is a headscarf, and it has paints and paintbrushes and a canvas, and we send it to the kids in the hospital, and then those kids can make their own headscarf and have their own piece of art printed on a headscarf, which is super cool. So instead we wanted to make it more durable, so we put them in bags, like drawstring bags that says Coming Up Rosie's, and we add some little poppets or fidgets for them, and we put them in boxes, about 20 per box, and send it to hospitals worldwide, or sorry, in the US.
So we have 53 partner hospitals in the US.
Wow.
Before, when we first met you, there was 12. So we've grown, and we have a wait list of more hospitals. So this would really help. So I think our goal this Sunday is to assemble 350 smile bags.
Which is going to be a lot. So we're asking for all kids, all parents to get their hands on deck. And this is really an interactive, part for the kids to play too.
Totally.
Because in the past, it's, you know, the adults ran for, but now it's going to be fun. We have live music and, you know, food.
Yeah,
and
our favorite
we have
pizza.
Our favorite pizza. You can go to our website if you want more information, and we have same-day registration.
Ooh, look at
Okay,
that.
so this is October 15th, right?
October
Sunday,
15th.
Montrose
And Montrose Harbor.
Montrose Harbor. It's going to be so fun. We hope to see you there.
Awesome. That is so, you guys are doing so much in such a short period of time. I know it feels like a mountain, but you're really making strides.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for
So
coming.
good to see you guys.
Coming up, rosies.com is where you can get more information and find out about the Miles of Smiles event coming up this Sunday. Thanks,
All right.
ladies.
Thank you.
I love you guys.